Hi friends, this is Shishant. You are watching YouTube channel Keeps Learning Happy Learning. Acknowledge the knowledge by exploring yourself with it. Friends, as we all know that learning is a continuous process, it should never stop. So by keeping this thought in my mind, I have brought for you more than 20 plus online quizzes which you can attend according to your area of interest, by the virtue of which you can continue your learning and improve your knowledge. So please stay tuned, keeps on watching, keeps on learning, keeps on solving. Our first quiz is on climate change, environment, biodiversity, and COVID-19 preparedness on the eve of World Environment Day 2020. Our second quiz is on controlled drug delivery system, which is going to close on 11th July midnight. And if you want to get certificate, you have to get the 50% or above of that, and which has organized by Joginpalli BR Pharmacy College. Our next quiz is on Corona and its impact on online teaching, which has organized by Department of Pharmacology, SRM College of Pharmacy. Our next quiz is on wireless sensor networks, in which you will be having the 50 multiple choice question, and the passing score is 40%, and which has organized by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Rice Krishna Sai Prakasam Group of Institution. So our next quiz is on operating system, which is going to close on 10th July, and if to get the certificate you need 50% or more than that, and which has organized by Tigla Krishna Reddy Engineering College, Hyderabad. So our next quiz is on research methodology, in which you will be having the 25 multiple choice questions, and you need 50% to get the certificate, and which has organized by Department of Commerce and Business Management, Vagdevi Degree and PG College. So our next quiz is on general knowledge, which has organized by Department of Computer Application, Nazareth College of Arts and Science. So our next quiz is on programming language by the Department of Computer Application by Nazareth College of Arts and Science. So our next quiz is on emerging technologies by the Department of Computer Application, Nazareth College of Arts and Science. So our next quiz is on eQuiz 2K20, organized by EEE Department, Meenakshi College of Engineering, Chennai, and in this quiz you will be having 20 multiple choice questions, and in order to get the certificate you need 40%, and it has to be going to close on 9th July. So our next quiz is on geopolymer quiz. Description of the quiz has not given, so I am not mentioning any description at all for this quiz. So our next quiz is on microeconomics, which consists of 20 multiple choice questions, and in order to get the certificate you need 50% marks, and which has organized by Department of Economics, MSS Walk Board College. So our next quiz is on optical fiber communications, and which has organized by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vageshwari College of Engineering Technology. So our next quiz is on marketing awareness, which has organized by Department of Business Administration, Manonmanian Sundarnath University. So our next quiz is on statistics, which has organized by Department of Mathematics, Nanda Arts and Science College, Erode. So our next quiz is on molecular biology, which has organized by Department of Life Sciences, Government Degree College for Women, Telangana. Okay friends, so our next quiz is on Python, that is a beginner level, and which has organized by MHM's consultancy. So our next quiz is on Python again. There is an expert level in which you need 50% marks in order to get certificate, and this quiz is for 60-minute time duration, and which is organized by MHM's consultancy. Okay, so our next quiz is on banking, which has organized by Department of Commerce, the Quaidi Millet College for Men, Medavakkam, Chennai. So friends, our next quiz is on fundamentals of civil engineering, which has organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Adi Parasakti College of Engineering, Tanipat. Our next quiz is on cooperation and its principles towards attainment of SDGs. So in this description is not given, so I am not mentioning the description. So our next quiz is on manufacturing process, in which you need in order to get certificate 50%, and which has organized by ISTE faculty chapter and ISTE student chapter, Murugappa Polytechnic College, Chennai. So our next quiz is on journalism, which consists of 25 multiple choice question, or in order to get certificate you need 50%, and which has organized by SST College of Arts and Science. Our next quiz is on basics of civil engineering, which again consists of 25 multiple choice question, and in order to get certificate you need 40% marks, and which has organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Bonam Venkata Chalmaya Institute of Technology and Science, East Godavari District, Andhra Pradesh. So our next quiz, that is the last one. The topic is concrete technology, and this quiz consists of 25 multiple choice question, and in order to get certificate you require 60% marks, and it is going to close on 10th July, and it has organized by Department of Civil Engineering, St. Joseph Engineering College, Mangaluru. So friends, this is what all about quizzes. So friends, once again, still if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button, as well share with your friends. So whenever we'll be uploading our new video, you will get the notification. Thank you.